Morning students. See your mathematics book. In this book, in this second semester syllabus, last one chapter remain rupees and paise. See in your book this page number 190. Here two students, he said, I have collected a lot of coins but I don't have a purse. Let's make a money purse. See, take a sheet of paper. Firstly you make a here one money purse. Take a sheet of paper and make a fold at this center. Then fold the two corners here. Then afterwards again fold these two corners and be to meet at the dotted line. Now the sheet will look like this in this type, and fold the top part of this sheet and backwards to that back, and so look like this in this type, and front look like this. Then place the front side of this sheet and fold the edges CD and EF and to meet at the dotted line. Now it look like this. Then fold down this top along the dotted line so that the figure now look like this type of this purse here. Fold the back flap down and money purse is ready. See this money purse here, ready for this money purse. You do this activity in home. Firstly you take a one sheet of paper, then you fold this at the center, then again you fold this first two corners, then again you fold this back side of this top of these corners, then afterwards you place this front side of this sheet to each other and you make a one purse. Then here money for this our purse is given 25 paise one money, 50 paise one coin, 1 rupees, 2 rupees, 5 rupees coin. Collect these different coins. Collect these different coins you put in your purse. Keep a coin on a flat table, place a thin paper on it, and with one hand hold the paper tight, rub the tip of this pencil over the paper softly to trace the coin. You keep this coin on the flat table and you place a thin paper on it, and you one hand hold this paper tight and rub this tip of this pencil and cover the paper softly to trace these coins. Slowly the face of this coin will appear. See, these coins will appear. Cut out the traced coins and keep them in your purse. Now make notes by cutting paper and writing this value of this note on each. Here notes here. One is 1 rupees note, 2 rupees note, 20 rupees note, this 100 rupees note, 50, 5 rupees note, and this 10 rupees note. Money game. Use notes and coins to show the following amounts of money. See, 26 rupees. 26 rupees means you take first one here, 20 rupees one note, 5 rupees one note, 20 plus 5, 25, and you take here these coins of this 50 paise one coin and 50 paise. 50 paise means 1 rupees means total here 26 rupees. Then 4 rupees 75 paise, 78 rupees, 130 rupees, 8 rupees 75 paise, 53 rupees, and you take here money. See, firstly 26 rupees. 26 rupees. 26 rupees. You expand this one, take your 20 rupees note, 1 5 rupees note, and you take here 2 50 paise coin over this 26 rupees. Then 4 rupees 75 paise. 4 rupees 75 paise. See this 4 rupees means you take here 2 rupees note. Yes. Then 75 paise means you take 1 coin of this 50 paise and 1 coin of this 25 paise. 50 paise and 25 paise means 75 paise. Then 78 rupees. 78 rupees. 78 rupees. Then you take here this change for this one 50 rupees note. 50. Again one you take here 1 20 rupees note. 50 plus 20, 70. Then one you take here 5 rupees note. 70 plus 5, 75. Again 3 rupees remain. Then you take here 1 rupees 3 coin. 1 rupees 3 coin. See here, firstly you take here 50 rupees note, 20 rupees note, 70, 70 plus 5 rupees note, 75, and take 3 1 rupees coin. Then 130 rupees. 130 rupees. 130 rupees means you take here 100 rupees note, then 120 rupees note, and you take here 10 rupees note, and total is 130 rupees. Then next one 8 rupees. 8 rupees 75 paise. 8 rupees means you take here 5 rupees note, 2 rupees note, 1 rupees note. 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 8, and 75 paise means you take here 1 coin of this 50 paise and 1 coin of this 25 paise, means total this 75 paise. Then next one, see here this 53 rupees. 53 rupees. 53 rupees means you take here 50 rupees note, then 2 rupees note, and this 1 rupees note. 50 plus 2 52, 52 plus 1 53. Total this 53 rupees. Write the amounts of money shown on the notes and coins. This money, amount of this money is here. This in the form of this notes and coins. Then here also some notes and coins is given here. Then you count and write here. See here 150 rupees note, here 2 rupees note, 120, 50 plus 20, 70, 70 plus 2, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, and here 3, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25 means 75 paise here. Then 76 rupees here, and 75 paise. Then 101 rupees here, 100 rupees 1 note, and 50 paise here 2 coins. This means 101 rupees. Then you see here these notes 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, and these 2 30. Total of these 30 rupees. And coin here 1 rupees coin. This 50 52 means 1 2 3 and 3, and this half, and this 1 2 3, and this 1 4 and half, and this 25 25 50, and 25 25 50 means this 1 rupee, and this 25 means 75 paise, and this 1 rupees 1 2 3 4 5, and this 30 means total here 30 rupees 75 paise. You count, and in front of your box is given, and you write these answers. Then this remaining part tomorrow. Okay, bye.